Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mimo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. This is my Twitter. My Twitter timeline. Na ohwe Ghana trends ewa hase a obehu ne se Fabio Gama trendy. Fabio Gama kotoko player a wo free America a kotokofo ekoto no nansen a. Twini Jonas enso trendy. Posh trendy. Now the fourth trending topic Ghana Award House. Now let's go to the Ghana Award House on Yankoshe Dintia trendy. Now assembly ni na say President Akufo Addo eba bonten just 2 hours ago. Now sema wa training. I say on Wednesday 7th April and then Wednesday 7th April 2021 I cut the sword for the commencement of construction of the Ghana Award House, a new administrative building for the head of state award scheme. Just President Akufo Addo say, wakwa cut sword. Say ye baba besi a Ghana Award House. Na Ghana Award House yi obi be bisa say eye den na edien ene wom na okọ story ni mu a obehu ne say President Akufo Addo or the government is spending 5 million Ghana cedis to construct a 2-story building, administrative outfit, and a 2-story administrative outfit for the head of state award scheme. Still, you don't understand. Ghana Award House, now, one say a to the beer, I don't know. Say for me personally, it happens. I don't know whether it happens every year or every 2 years, but occasionally, one say yana. Yeah, the presidential awards and at the head of state awards. Into Osha, a to the Bian Crawford, you want to say, one more bombarding on my year at the park, ama one mind, especially to the big class students. Students be a yebehun say be a BEC, one way can ye, and now wasi, one way can ye no. One say a to the Bia, ye organize program, not presidents no higher than our diomo. Into a friend head of state award scheme. Into it cuts across. Obia yehun say would deserve award scheme biano. That program is that. And I mean it's Obia wa ye Ghana ni bia says ade ne me kai say embra Akufo time kra ne yema Elder Mrekubi. Munya mo kaya Elder Mreku yema ne presidential award ne sansensem no. Aha. Inti no Obia yehun say waboa wo man no. Yema ne presidential award and a head of state award. Inti nkrofo na wo mo organize the head of state award no. Womu any office ana baby a womu operate wo. Inti President Akufo Addo is building a state outfit for them. Na state outfit no wosha, it consists of several conference rooms. Facilities bebre ne kreni nyame nim ebeboa. But akwa say Ghanaians don't understand the Ghana Award House initiative. Nkrofo ntiasie inti no ama wo mo ababontin baba bo President Akufo Addo echi say hey we ni na wo ye. That is why Ghana Award House no trendy Twitter. Washa, you can see this is the general office, this is the first floor, the ground floor, the block plan, concourse, the front view, the third view, this is the boardroom. What you see. So these are pictures of the Ghana Award House now den no. But Ghana for into President Akufo Addo no kate so that just a year ba besi Ghana Award House no. But Ghana for ntiasie and I just wo mo bonichi. For me personally, you see, I'll tell you the truth, and I know a lot of people will bash me for this, but I don't see anything wrong with this. The president deciding to build an outfit for Omo organizing state award scheme no. I don't see anything wrong with it. But if you see something wrong with it as well, that one I will not blame you. Because Obi Nsubeka say hospitals wo ho enya say wo ho ade ne emfa nkoye, you have a valid point. And also their work cannot and I'll not bash you for that. But for me personally, understanding the scheme of work and understanding how the head of state award no wo mo eye adwuma any sebe outfits they need to work properly no me who say this is also needed. Me, that's what I see. Mimi Hune said this is also needed. But let's go into it. Let's see what people are saying. Then we so and I just say Nkrofo President Akufo Addo echi a enye easy. Yanko ready the Ghana for Eka. But Mr. Answer beto aso we have a new YouTube channel. Link no ewo comments box nimu. Click it. Na subscribe my enche yebeko ho. Now we UTV. Oh, where has this thing? Mebao. Adiya me. Okay, so I just want us to go into President Akufo Addo post. Now let's read the comments and see what's going on, what people are saying. Obi say, so people will actually be given positions in this office and be taking salaries every month so that they can give you an award one day. Award for what? Upon all the problems we have in this country, it is an office that will award you. That is your priority. Continue. So you see, Obi asema what can I say? Intini ye ba be see office way near the nipa ba betum na nipa ba beje a year salary. Now what people don't understand they say in Crawford wa mo ye juma under that particular institution already, just that they didn't have an office. And so building an office for them doesn't mean that necessarily we are now coming to employ people to pay them. Those people are already there and they are already working. I don't know whether you guys understand. Once the nipa we are somewhere about kano, the world trend say inti sisi ano Ghana, the ye pesi ye can say yakwa ko see office. Ye can award office. Na ya baba be fan crofo na ye ti omuka free. But nipa ko na nti asesem crofo wo ho a from Kufuor time. Omo ye adwuma ejiska wo sa de we hu de dada. Just that office na wo mu ni. Inti President Akufo Addo na wa baba be see office na momo. So I feel say the education on the Ghana Award House thing, no, it is low. That is why a lot of people are bashing President Akufo. If you really understand how it works, and ubehune say adieno, ebaye acha, ubehune say well, senya medi kankai no. If you are against this particular move, I mean, I'll not bash you. Once I say biwa, bontina. If you are against it, MELODIES coming to me, but which say adentina. But this particular one, if you are against it, I will not bash you. But if you are for it as well, I don't see anything wrong. What you are saying. But a lot of people can make their argument and say, oh, there are things that are needed than this particular thing. It is okay. So what can I say? Ghana has hospitals. You hear hospitals, let's say in Ghana Award House. You are right. It is okay. You are right. But for me personally, me too, I don't see anything wrong with this. Mr. Remo, Mufan Chemi. Meaning say a lot of people will not be happy with what I'm saying, but Mr. Remo. I say, what can we do? I say 4 more is the biggest mistake in Ghana history. I say more be canon. I say unnecessary building, health and educational structures needed. Who even knows about the head of state awards? Into a similar obi so can a valid point. Obi say, "Wosha, ye here sebe educational structures, ye here a hospitals more." Sa Ghana head of state awards kran nkofo bebre wo ho a wo mu nim bibia fa ho, and it is true. Now can I explain and tremo a menya sure say nkofo bebre kran nim bibi fa sa head of state awards no. A lot of people don't know anything about it. A lot of people, they don't know anything about it. So it is indeed true. Me, how I got to know about it, and say, Wosha, especially the BEC, so what's the time, no, and baby, Obia minim no, Eko GB, and I mean, who say, oh, say Ghana crano, Ucha BEC, and Ucha Wasia, your head of state award, bia, a yana every year, you organize ya, you demand for what you say, me can no man who say Bibisa or and last Elder Mreku, say several years ago, or can the life story. And I award that President Kufuor Edemano, and I mean who say, well, naturally say you'll be. I'm say a jacko cry GB pen. I stand to be corrected, but a lot of people, a lot of entertainers, just award will be paying. But a lot of people don't know about it. So and also what I say, and you want the ordinary Ghanaian to be happy with this? If there's God, He will judge you all. I say more be canon. I say waiting we no see before sources of funding and or sponsored by. I say this is needless as there is infrastructure deficit in our SHS. Anyway, Nana, how far with the 88 hospitals no? Nanka Ghana are buying there award for who are we going to award for what and what job done? Into no so near someone will be air can say Nanka once what happened is proud to the 2020 elections. The Akufo Addo my say we see 88 hospitals. Sa hospitals no ba ko kra yen see e. Say no obi bisa say sa hospitals na we he. Na I say well, I can tell you for a fact say those hospitals Ebiana President Akufo Addo be in the term crowd na hospital no yen hu ba ko kra. I mean, for me, I saw it as just a political talk. It was something a lot of people knew, say it was never visible. In the one now, almost supported say president say end of the year 2020, we see 88 hospitals. Now I'm saying, vet ni muno, utie the ministers ne ka be hu say oh, na ya dia wo Ghana for ye ni. Intino ya dia wo. I say, and who said he's going to build anything? Shortcutting is his talent. What happened to the promise he even made to the Most High God after shortcutting? I say, Mobi Kanono. I say, our problem is we think all these old peeps have all the sense and have the strength to lead us. This is our problem. We need to get rid of all this old stuff of governance out of the system because we've tolerated nonsense for so long. So you can see a lot of people are not happy about this. And rightfully so. Media Maka. For me personally, I've said it and I'll say it again. I don't see anything wrong with this. For me personally. But if you see something wrong with it, I will not blame you. You have your right. What you say? Like, you can make your argument, and in your argument, it is okay. In Crawford, make your argument and understand their argument, and they are right in their own argument. And so, yes, that's what I'll say. I say the government have posted nurses since last year, and almost this month marks a year, and we haven't been paid. Look at the unnecessary things they are channeling the state money into, and next they will tell us there's been financial loss to the state, going to court to and fro, thieves. Nti Nkrofo obi nso aba be post picture of Nkola womo etetetete I say, how about a classroom and a better table and desks for these future leaders? I say, and Kolebu maternity ward is on fire. GHS 3 students forced to stay home till May 5th due to unavailability of some furniture in their schools. Tackle the more persistent issues before all this. Wow, Ghana, our motherland. So a lot of people are bashing the president. Let's go to the quoted tweets. These were the replies. Washa Twitter more way no a quoted tweets nimuna but let's go to the quoted tweets and let's see what people are saying. Now see, an award house for appraisal of corrupt minds who contribute nothing to the economy. Most rural areas cry for good educational facilities, and this is the step we take towards the development of this nation. Who am I to even complain? I say, Nana, you stress me, shaking my head. I say, Charlie, this country cry, what they worry our leaders. And Nana Banamwa say, Ghana Award House, Bossu, Obinso say, fucking twat. Hey, the president Atemo. I say, taking Kufuor's fraud a notch higher, without light and water, Kufuor gallon. He came for awarded himself with a gold medal. Fast forward, Ghana under recession, and a 77-year-old man thinks cathedral and award house is what we need. Nana, who's bewitched you? And also near Asema, just will be the Kufuor the Abba film say Kufuor crano a drew nediano or no so yebi. Emma Kufuor na be awarded ne hon or not the good air awarded ne hontino and no be Nana don't super so ye. I say, hey, Akufo Addo, oh Dabi. God forgive me for voting for this fraud. Hey, just say, Ubi say, just say, Yankopon fan the bonnet channel say, what about my president Akufo Addo? I say, pardon, was this necessary? I say, thank you very much, Mr. President, from Hosa KNUST. We are much delighted. Obinso Asema Wakanono. So far, I think this is the only positive comment I've read on this. I say, hey, Nana, we are sure. I say, LOL, the performance of competence is on steroids. I say, I am waiting patiently for a Trinidional's reaction to this one. I say, first, it was a national cathedral, then a new parliament building, and now this nonsense. Nana and his cronies are taking a piss at this point. I say, Ghana is working again. Thank you, Akufo Addo. But when will work start on the new maternity block and urology center you cut short for at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital more than 6 months ago? The fire incident at the maternity block just tells us we need these new buildings badly. Obinso say, very needless edifice. No one should tell me it's been funded by XYZ because those funds could have been put to better use. Now, Unim, in some way, air kono, the way people are bashing the president and the government on this particular thing, just like the comments are abano. I am not a prophet, but be expecting the communication team of the MPP to be coming out to tell you, say, sa particular idea we crano, NGOs be and a sponsor. Me sa asem na, I'll not be surprised. But the other one, no, I've stated my thoughts on it. Share your thoughts on this as well in the comment box. Open so tre wadwin so amesre your number and a screen as no tre wadwin e wo so. Me da ase.